This is a Yamaha Grizzly 90. This one's a 2022. Got it last year. I also have I think a 2020 or 2019 Raptor 90. Kind of same idea as this thing, but if you have little guys that want to ride, or gals or whatever, these are great little machines to learn on as far as I'm concerned. They're a good bang for your buck. I really like them. My two boys really like them. They're easy for them to steer, giver. You can limit it. It comes with a limiter that really pulls it down. Otherwise, I adjust the throttle. Now, one of my sons is 140 pounds and he still rides this thing. And, you know, they can get good speeds, like 40 to 50 kilometers. I've clocked them out on my side-by-side. So they are quick. In my opinion, they're quick. Watching your kid go down a road at 40 or 50K is definitely scary. So if you're thinking about getting one, they're great little machines. This or the Raptor. I have both and I got no complaints. The only problem I've really had is a dead battery on the Raptor this year. And it is 3 years old, or this is the third summer I've had it. But they're excellent little machines. If you're in the market for one, I'd say definitely check it out. They're a great bike to have for young kids.